This is a dog. New player. Let's go. Ready? Mortal Kombat.
It doesn't really matter what episode it is, because I'm just gonna put it back up.
It's gonna be episode 8.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be episode 8.
We already did episode 8.
Wait, somebody check their iPods.
That can.
Mine's dead.
I don't know. Oh, we don't know.
Well, this is just
later.
How about this is Mortal Kombat episode random?
Yes.
There's a dog in here.
How about 9?
Episode random. Episode dog.
Yeah, episode dog. Okay, this has been 40 seconds of weirdness. Let's fight.
It's not even 40 seconds. Oh my god, it has been 40 seconds.
Let's go. Let's fight.
I like cameras.
Come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Get him off me. Alright.
Let's fight.
A dog just hugged my neck.
I'm gonna put you on the couch.
Move.
Ready?
Stay there.
I am Forza!
Ready? Versus
your mom.
Oh!
Say your name. Say your name.
I am Philly Zaytoy, and that was an amazing kick.
I am Jack the Nerd. And that's James. James doesn't have a YouTube account.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do? What's it called?
Jimmy 498.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, ready?
I did not know that.
And this is now his YouTube account. He's on. And this is Jimmy 498, number 2.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Cute-gasm.
Alright, let's go.
This has been.
Here, help me up. Help me up, man. Help me up.
Ready?
Help me up.
Dog, hump him.
Ah! You said hump him?
Yes.
Alright, ready?
Ah!
Come on, ready?
Versus.
Alright, yeah. Oh god. Oh, dog!
The dog is attacking.
Watch out for the dog. Special weapon.
Cuteness.
Get him. Special weapon. Cuteness. Oh, it's so cute.
Distraction. Doggy kick.
No!
Ah.
Ah. Oh.
Force pull.
This isn't Star Wars.
Yeah,
Oh,
fine.
catch.
Energy back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
No, massages my cheeks. No, I'm kidding. Ah! Oh my god! That could have been bad.
Where'd the dog go? The dog goes like to a random place.
Don't end it.
I won't.
I got your phone.
Yeah, that's right. I got a dog down.
I got you. I'm winning.
Thank you.
Let's work together.
I don't want to.
Ah, that hurt.
Ow.
What?
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Go.
That's like his favorite toy.
I'm dying. I'm dead. Ah!
He's dead. I could hit him with this toy.
Puppy attack. He's gonna urine on. He's gonna urinate on.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Does he have to pee?
No.
Ah!
Ow.
Go get it.
Oh.
Okay, somebody's
Go
screwing
get
me.
it.
It wasn't me. I
Get the dog in here. Get
awesome.
the dog in here. Get the dog in here.
Ah.
This has been episode random.
No.
Dog, it's not over yet.
But it's not over.
I'm gonna do a barrel roll.
Ready?
What
are we doing?
I'm doing a barrel roll. I'm doing barrel rolls. Oh, I gotta hit the dog.
Dude, you know what?
I'm like a camera hog. Ow.
Declan's like a camera hog.
Ah, stop kicking me. Ah. Yeah.
That's mine.
Come on. You can't.
Hello?
Whose head is that? There's a head. You see it?
Yeah.
It's not mine. Ah. I'm kidding. It was mine.
Take your shoes off.
Oh wow. It takes a while to get the morning off. Put the dog on me. Dog attack. Ah, cuteness. I don't think we took this seriously this time.
I know. Let's
Yeah.
create another episode.
Yeah.
And this time.
Let's just do
Is
this.
it over?
No, it's not over. It's still going. Good night is the night.